Welcome back to my channel Rani's Art and Craft. Today we are going to make spoon. So first of all you will need any gift wrapping sheet or silver paper, no foil paper. Now you will have to follow the steps that I am doing. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all new updates. Give your challenges in the comment section. I will surely make all of your challenges. And if you have any suggestions or any other things, you can just comment below. Share this video with your friends, family. Ready? Now let's check. Wow, it's working great. Thanks for watching. Thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share, comment.